We're talking about one of the most innovative and talked about devices of 2024. The HUAWEI Mate X3T. HUAWEI has been pushing the boundaries of what smartphones can do, and the Mate X3T is no exception. It's a foldable, futuristic powerhouse that represents the next step in mobile technology. Whether you're a foldable phone fan, a HUAWEI loyalist, or just a tech enthusiast eager to learn more about the latest gadgets, this is a device worth discussing. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the HUAWEI Mate X3T, from its design, display, performance, and camera capabilities, to its battery life, software, and of course, the all-important question: is this device worth your money? So without further ado, let's unfold this masterpiece, quite literally. HUAWEI's foldable phone legacy. Before we get into the specifics of the Mate X3T, let's talk about how HUAWEI got here. The Mate X series has been HUAWEI's answer to foldable technology, competing directly with Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series and other major foldable players. The Mate X, Mate X, and the Mate X2 were all highly anticipated, pushing the boundaries of foldable phone tech. Each iteration brought significant improvements, from stronger hinge mechanisms to better displays and more refined software experiences. The HUAWEI Mate X3T is a leap forward in foldable technology. It's a device designed to impress with not just its foldability, but also its robust performance and camera capabilities. But how does it stack up? Let's break it down. Design and build quality. Starting with the design, HUAWEI Mate X3T exudes premium quality. You immediately notice the sleekness and attention to detail. At first glance, it might look like an ordinary high-end phone. But unfold it, and you're greeted with a massive display that can easily transition from a compact device to a tablet-sized screen. The folding mechanism has been vastly improved over previous models, with a smoother and more durable hinge. HUAWEI has engineered this to be sturdy yet fluid, ensuring you can fold and unfold the device thousands of times without it feeling clunky. This is due to their unique multi-dimensional hinge, which distributes pressure more evenly and allows for a thinner fold, reducing the visible crease in the display. The build materials are a combination of high-grade aluminum, glass, and ceramic finishes, giving the phone a premium, durable feel. It's relatively lightweight considering its form factor, making it more practical for everyday use compared to previous bulky foldables. On the back, HUAWEI has maintained a clean aesthetic with minimal branding and a sleek camera module. The Mate X3T is available in several sophisticated color options: midnight black, frosted silver, and a stunning emerald green, offering something for every style preference. Display technology. Now let's talk about the real star of the show: the display. The HUAWEI Mate X3T offers two distinct screen experiences: a 6.5-inch external display and a massive 8.03-inch internal foldable display. Both screens use OLED technology, offering deep blacks, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast ratios. External display. When folded, the 6.5-inch external display acts like a regular smartphone. It's perfect for one-handed use, easy for texting, scrolling through social media, or taking quick calls. With a 1080p resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate, everything feels buttery smooth, from navigating the UI to watching videos and playing games. Internal display. Unfold the Mate X3T, and you're treated to the 8.03-inch main display. This is where the magic happens. The internal display offers a 2480x2200 resolution, resulting in crisp visuals, whether you're watching movies, playing games, or working on multiple apps simultaneously. The near tablet-sized display makes multitasking a breeze, and the 90 Hz refresh rate ensures a smooth user experience. The internal display also supports HDR10+, making it a visual treat for media consumption. Streaming high-definition content on platforms like YouTube, Netflix, or even gaming with the large screen real estate feels incredibly immersive. Crease reduction. One of the challenges of foldable phones is the crease that forms where the phone folds. HUAWEI has made significant strides in minimizing this with the Mate X3T thanks to the improved hinge and the UTG ultra-thin glass layer. The crease is much less noticeable, both visually and when running your finger across the screen. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the HUAWEI Mate X3T packs serious power. It's powered by the Kirin 9000S processor, HUAWEI's latest flagship chipset, which ensures blazing fast performance. While it's not as well known globally as Qualcomm's Snapdragon, the Kirin 9000S has proven itself as a top-tier chip, handling multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven tasks with ease. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage, the Mate X3T can handle anything you throw at it. Whether it's high-end gaming, running demanding apps, or juggling multiple apps at once, this phone won't stutter. It's also 5G enabled, ensuring lightning-fast internet speeds, provided you have 5G coverage in your area. The Mali G78 GPU ensures that the gaming experience is top-notch. Popular titles like PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, and Call of Duty Mobile run smoothly, even on high settings. The large internal screen further enhances the gaming experience, providing more immersive visuals and precise touch controls. Storage options. For those who need ample storage for media, apps, and games, the Mate X3T offers 256 GB and 512 GB storage variants, which are expandable using HUAWEI's nano memory cards. While HUAWEI's proprietary memory card format isn't as widely adopted as microSD, it's still a convenient option for those who need extra space. Camera capabilities. HUAWEI has long been known for its camera innovations, and the Mate X3T doesn't disappoint. The phone is equipped with a Leica-engineered quad-camera setup that includes a 50MP primary sensor, f/1.8 OIS, 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, 8MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, 3D TOF sensor for enhanced depth perception. Primary camera. The 50MP primary camera is a real standout. It captures incredibly detailed shots with excellent dynamic range and color accuracy. Whether it's a bright sunny day or low light conditions, the Mate X3T delivers consistently stunning images. The optical image stabilization, OIS, ensures that even when your hands are shaky, your photos remain sharp. Ultra-wide and telephoto. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for landscapes and group shots, capturing a wider field of view without much distortion. Meanwhile, the 8MP telephoto lens is capable of up to 5x optical zoom and 50x digital zoom, allowing you to get up close and personal with distant subjects without losing much clarity. Selfie camera. As for selfies, the Mate X3T features a 16MP front-facing camera, located on the external display. It delivers crisp, detailed selfies, perfect for video calls, social media, or just capturing those quick moments. Video capabilities. On the video front, the Mate X3T can shoot in 4K at 60 fps with excellent stabilization and impressive color rendering. Whether you're recording family moments, vlogging, or shooting professional-grade content, this device won't let you down. Software and user experience. The Mate X3T runs HarmonyOS 4.0, HUAWEI's homegrown operating system. Since HUAWEI parted ways with Google services, they've invested heavily in creating a seamless, feature-rich OS. HarmonyOS is fluid, fast, and designed to make the most of the foldable display. One of the key features of HarmonyOS is its multitasking capabilities. The foldable display allows for multiple apps to be opened side by side, and the Mate X3T handles this effortlessly. You can easily switch between apps, drag and drop content, and use floating windows, which truly enhances productivity. App Gallery and HUAWEI services. While the lack of Google Play services might be a concern for some users, HUAWEI's App Gallery has come a long way. The App Store now features a wide range of popular apps, and with the help of third-party tools like Petal Search, you can access almost any app you need. HUAWEI's ecosystem is also expanding with services like HUAWEI Cloud, HUAWEI Music, and HUAWEI Video, making it a more complete experience than ever before. Battery life and charging. A powerhouse phone needs a reliable battery, and HUAWEI doesn't disappoint. The Mate X3T comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to last a full day of heavy use, even with the larger internal display. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or juggling multiple apps, this device keeps up with your demands. HUAWEI has also included 66W fast charging, which can take the battery from 0 to 100% in just under an hour. For those who prefer wireless charging, the Mate X3T supports 50W wireless charging, one of the fastest wireless charging solutions on the market. Is it worth it? Now that we've gone through all the features, the big question remains: is the HUAWEI Mate X3T worth your money? If you're someone who values innovation, cutting-edge technology, and premium build quality, the Mate X3T is an excellent choice. Its foldable design is among the best in the market, and HUAWEI has addressed many of the issues that plagued earlier foldables, like durability and screen creases. The camera system is world-class, the performance is top-tier, and the software experience with HarmonyOS is polished and user-friendly. However, there are some considerations. The absence of Google services is something you'll need to adjust to, especially if you rely heavily on Google Apps. But HUAWEI's alternatives, combined with third-party app solutions, do mitigate this issue to a large extent. The HUAWEI Mate X3T is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It pushes the boundaries of what foldable technology can achieve, offering an unparalleled blend of design, performance, and innovation. If you're ready to embrace the future of mobile tech, this is definitely a device worth considering. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the HUAWEI Mate X3T, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech news. Let me know in the comments below what excites you the most about this phone. And as always, thanks for watching.